Hello, my beautiful nail babies. So today I am going to be unboxing another PR packaging from Blissful Kream Nails. Super exciting because this is a new collection. Okay, can we just talk about the tape with her logo on it? I think that's super cute, super thoughtful, and I think her packaging has improved so much. So I'm so happy to be introducing you guys to the Blissful Couture collection. So I love the aesthetic behind this. As you see here, the little logo is super cute. And going back to the packaging, we do have her business card, which is super new to me because my last package didn't have all this. You also get a thank you for your purchase card. And then I was super impressed by this. It's a little scratch off little card. So then you just scratch it and then you get a code. It's super cute. After that, can we just talk about her props and her packaging? I honestly feel like, how can I compare this to? Okay, so when you buy like a luxurious bag, you have all these layers you have to unwrap to get to your product, and this is how I feel. Like the brand that I bought from spent time and put thought into it so I could feel great and loved. So thank you, Blissful Kream, for the beautiful packaging. And then the tissue paper had glitter. Love it. So the first thing we have here is the Barbie stickers. These are non-soak off, so you just stick them on your nail, and they are sold separately. And then we have the Blissful Couture collection. They consist of 8 colors and they come in 1 ounce and 2 ounces. I believe you can buy them as a collection or you could buy them separately depending on which color was your favorite. So here I'm just going to be showing you guys the colors, and then we are going to be doing some swatches. So as you see here, going back to the packaging, I am not over it. It's super duper cute. The bubble wrap is also pink. That is super cute. Like I said, super thoughtful. She has been putting effort in this. So the first color we have in the collection is Amethyst. Then we have Stargazer, which is my favorite. We have By Sister. We also have Cosmic, Rose Tea, Posh, Karma, and last we have Nova. So once again, this collection consists of 8 colors. So the first swatch I'm doing is Nova. What I love about her company is that she has a extra protective like lid. So the one that I showed you, that's like the lid that doesn't let the acrylic spill. We don't want that, and she makes sure everything is nicely secured. So I love that about that lid. And then I'm also using her monomer, which her monomer is super duper like low odor. So if you're looking for a monomer that does not smell up your house and give you a headache, that is the one that you need to get your hands on. So I do a swatch, and then I do show you like a comparison side by side in just regular lighting and also like outside. So you'll see here, let's see, right there. So on your right side you'll see that I'm outside, and then the left side is with just the lights. Super beautiful colors. I love like opalescent colors. These are great to be just to wear alone, or to do like a crystal clear nail with glitter, or to use it as a topper. I believe these look beautiful if you're doing like some black acrylics and you put this on top, because the glitters just give different hues of colors, which is super beautiful. And we have some pinks in here, And again, it does have glitters that do change colors, so the images may be different from how they actually look, because again, glitter has so much different hues and reflections in every single different light. But once again, these colors are super, super beautiful. And don't forget, we do have a discount code. Oh, before I say that, I love this color. This is by far my favorite. This is not your regular glitter. This is like the chunky glitter, but it's like, it's beautiful. I love it, love it, love it. But going back to the discount code, we do have a discount code with her, so I will be leaving my code floating around here on the screen. But yeah, get yourself this collection or some shades you like. Super beautiful, and it's perfect. I love, like I was saying before, the aesthetic behind it. Girl power, pink, Barbie, like all of that. I love it, love it, love it. And it definitely reminds me of my childhood, which is crazy. So I can't wait to do some sets inspired by Barbie and just pink and bedazzled, you know, luxurious nails. So here I show you guys a clip of how they look outside. Again, they have such beautiful reflection. It's super beautiful, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please check her out. I'll be leaving her Instagram and her website down below. And here is with a black background. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I love them. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will be talking to you guys soon. Bye.